Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to set up and manage an affiliate program with Systeme.io. Whether you're new to affiliate marketing or a seasoned pro, you'll learn actionable tips to build a thriving network of affiliates and grow your business. And don't miss the link in the description to download a free training that will help you master Systeme.io like a pro. Log in to your Systeme.io account and go to the Sales tab. Click on My Affiliate Program. This is where you'll manage all the settings for your affiliate program. Start by setting your default commission rates. Level 1 affiliates earn for every sale they generate, while Level 2 affiliates, the people referred by your affiliates, earn a smaller cut. Competitive rates are key. Aim for 20 to 40% for digital products, and consider offering higher rates than your competitors to make your program stand out. Next, set the minimum payout threshold. This is the amount an affiliate must earn before they can withdraw their earnings. $50 or $100 is a good starting point. Add a payout delay to cover potential refunds. For example, if your refund policy is 30 days, you might set a 45-day delay for payouts. If you have multiple products, Systeme.io lets you create custom commission rates for each one. For example, you might offer a higher rate for promoting your flagship course while keeping a lower rate for smaller items. This flexibility lets you align affiliate rewards with your revenue goals. Every contact in your Systeme.io database automatically gets an affiliate ID. Affiliates can log into their dashboard to track their sales, leads, commissions, and payouts. As the program admin, you can view their activity to identify top performers and reward them with bonuses or exclusive perks. Make sure to provide promotional materials like banners, email templates, and pre-written social media posts. Affiliates can download these directly from their dashboard. This makes it easier for them to start promoting and drives better results for you. Include instructions on how to use their unique affiliate links to avoid any confusion. Automation is another powerful feature of Systeme.io. Set up automated emails to welcome new affiliates, share their unique affiliate links, and send regular performance updates. A monthly affiliate newsletter can keep them motivated with tips, updates, and success stories. Don't overlook the affiliate marketplace. Listing your product here makes it visible to a broader audience of affiliates who are looking for products to promote. This is a great way to grow your program beyond your existing network. Systeme.io also simplifies payouts. Invoices are generated automatically on the 10th of each month. If you have more than 25 affiliates, you can pay them all in one click. For smaller programs, manual PayPal payouts are still an option. Always review invoices before processing payments to keep your records organized. Want to take your affiliate program to the next level? Offer tiered bonuses to reward affiliates who hit certain sales milestones. Host short-term contests with prizes for top performers. Provide ongoing training, like webinars or videos, to teach affiliates how to drive more traffic and increase conversions. And that's how you can set up and manage a successful affiliate program with Systeme.io. This platform makes it simple to automate, customize, and scale your program so you can focus on growing your business. If you found this guide helpful, check out the article linked in the description for even more tips and step-by-step instructions. You can also download a free training to master Systeme.io like a pro. It's packed with everything you need to take your affiliate marketing to the next level. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more actionable tips. See you in the next video.